Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed, where we break down the hottest tech, gadgets, and home essentials on Amazon. Today we're looking at the eufy FamiLock S3 Max smart lock, a feature-packed smart lock that combines 3-in-1 security, a Wi-Fi keypad deadbolt, a 2K HDR camera with built-in doorbell, and palm vein recognition technology for fast, secure, and keyless entry. The standout feature here is the palm vein recognition. Unlike fingerprints, this method is nearly impossible to duplicate and works even if your hands are wet or dirty. Add to that the fact that it's rated ANSI BHMA Grade 1, the highest certification for residential locks, so it's built tough. The integrated 2K HDR video camera lets you see exactly who's at your door. And with the rear lock video screen, you can also view outside directly from inside your home, without needing your phone. Now let's talk about what buyers like. Many reviews highlight the ease of installation, strong security features, and the convenience of not needing physical keys. Customers also love the crystal clear video quality from the camera and how smooth the eufy app is for remote control. But it's not all perfect. Some users mention that the palm recognition can take a moment to register, especially at night, and others noted that the lock is bulkier compared to traditional smart locks, which might not fit every door frame easily. Overall, on Amazon, the eufy FamiLock S3 Max holds a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars, with most users praising its security innovation and convenience, while a few wished for even faster recognition speed. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link below in the description so you can see today's price and details. That's it for today's breakdown of the eufy FamiLock S3 Max smart lock. Like this video, subscribe, and stick around for more Amazon secrets revealed, where we help you discover the best products worth your time and money.